Welcome to Arithmetic Sequence, Explicit Formula. It's time to get down to business. What you have in front of you, you see as a list of numbers. In the math world, we call that a sequence. We're going to break this list into terms. So the 16 will be the first term, or A1, 20 will be the second term, or A2, 24 the third term, or A3, and 28 the fourth term, or A4. The list goes on, or that's what the dots mean, goes on forever. Before we get into the formula, something you need to know is the common difference, or the D, and that's how the terms change by adding a constant value or finding the constant difference. So the difference between 20 and 16 is going to be positive 4. The difference between 24 and 20 will also be 4, and the difference between 28 and 24 will be 4. And that, my friend, is the D. All right, understand that your D, or the common difference, can be positive or negative. So what if they ask you to find the 12th term in the sequence? We're going to use this arithmetic formula. It looks complicated, but when we break it down, it really isn't. For example, the A1 that you see, that's just the first term in the sequence. And we know it's 16, so we replace it with a 16. And the next thing we need to know is that D, which we already found. We know is the common difference, and it would be 4. And we replace the D with 4. And the N is just the term you want to find. So in this case, it would be 12. But let's put it together and see what it looks like. So once again, we're going to use the formula, the explicit formula for arithmetic sequencing. So we're trying to find out the 12th term. So that's A to the 12th is going to equal A to the first term, which we know is 16, plus parentheses, the N is going to be 12 again, because that's the term we're trying to find, minus 1, times the difference, the common difference, which we know is 4. From here, we just evaluate. All right, so I have A to the 12th equals 16 plus, we have 11 times 4. All right, so it's going to give us A to the 12th equals 16 plus 44. And 16 plus 44 is going to equal 60. So A to the 12th, or the 12th term, is going to equal 60. Now, what if you're asked to find the nth term? We're still going to use the same formula, except we're going to leave n in the formula instead of replacing it with a number. So once again, we will have A to the n equals A to the first term, which is 16, plus, we're going to keep the n inside, minus 1. And once again, we know the common difference is 4. So we're going to multiply it by 4, or the D is going to be replaced with 4. So now it's a little different. Here we're just going to break it down into the smallest expression we could create. So we're going to start with distributive property of the 4, and that's going to give us 16 plus 4n minus 4. Here I have like terms. I have 16 and a minus 4, so I will combine, and that's going to give me 12, and that's going to leave me with 12 plus 4n, and we can't do anything else because we have unlike terms, so that is our answer in the nth term, which you could use to find actually other terms in the sequence as well. Now it's time for you to try, so pause the video, give a shot at these questions, and then when you're ready to reveal the answers, unpause the video and see if you're correct. So if you got it right, throw yourself a dance party. And remember, the only time success comes before work is in the dictionary. This has been a Struggling Student Productions. If you liked the video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel.